Hey guys, so today I'm trying out a vintage hair tutorial and it is by, let me see, Pinup Palmer. She's someone I've been following for a really long time, and I saw this tutorial when it was posted, because like a year ago maybe, and always wanted to try it, but I've always had bangs or my hair was too short in my opinion. My hair is still pretty short and I still have bangs. I'm growing them out, but you know, they're still pretty dang short. So this might not turn out good at all, but we're trying anyway. So if you're interested, then let's go. Okay, so I apologize for the sun moving all about, but the sun sets early now. Could this be neater? Yes. Does it matter? Probably yes. I don't imagine this going very well anyway, just because I have so many layers in my hair and my bangs are very short, but I wanted to try it. So I also probably shouldn't be doing it in front of an open window with a breeze, but here we are. So yeah, I'm going to do my face now, and then hopefully this turns out okay and I'll style it with you guys. Alrighty, it is time now to see how my hair looks. So I'm gonna unpin everything, and then we're gonna follow how she brushes it out, even though a lot of it is off camera. we're just kind of going with the flow. Okay, so obviously not what hers looks like at all, but I knew that was going to happen because of the way my hair is cut. I do like this bang, even though it's not really supposed to look this way. But yeah, I would say it's definitely a retro look. I put these little clips in. I'm just not a fan of how hair looks in my face. I like my ears to be showing, so that's why I did that. But hopefully my hair continues growing and then I can really do the look, because that's eventually what I'd like to do, because I am a big fan of that style. And then this bit, I think I didn't over direct it backwards enough for that volume. I mean, there's definitely volume there, but it's not what I was intending, so yeah. That's it. I think it was a slight success. I don't know what the back looks like. I guess we could take a peek. I mean, we did something. We did something. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any requests. Now that my hair is getting longer and like more even, I want to do more styles, because I always just pin it back. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. You got the little comb over.